there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we take the guesswork out of your purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a showdown between the ELEGOO Saturn and the Creality K1C. It's the battle of the century, or at least the battle of your wallet. Let's get printing! Alright, let's start with the price. On the left, we've got the ELEGOO Saturn ringing in at a sweet $352. On the right, the Creality K1C is a bit more bougie at $699. That's right, folks, the K1C costs almost double. For that price, I hope it prints money. Now, speed demons, listen up. The ELEGOO Saturn cruises at a cool 70 millimeters per hour. Not bad, right? But then, the Creality K1C rolls in like a Formula One car with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's 12 times faster. If the K1C were a car, it'd be pulled over for speeding. Let's talk about print quality. The Saturn boasts a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with a resolution so high, it's basically the Mona Lisa of 3D printing. Meanwhile, the K1C's Core XY system and direct extruder are like the Michelangelo of speed and precision. Both printers will make your models look like they just walked out of an art gallery. But remember, one's a classic, and the other's a speedster. When it comes to size, the Saturn has a generous build volume of 218.88 x 122.888 x 250 cubic millimeters. It's like the Costco of 3D printing, go big or go home. The K1C, on the other hand, is more compact, but makes up for it with that high-speed charm. Think of it as the sports car of build volumes. Small, but mighty. Special features time. The Saturn has a laser-carved build plate and Fresnel collimating light source. Fancy, right? It's like bringing a laser light show to your living room. But wait, the K1C isn't just sitting around. It's got an AI camera for real-time monitoring, auto-calibration, and a clog-free direct extruder. It's basically the Tony Stark of 3D printers. Just give it a tap, and it's ready to go. Plus, it's got a carbon fiber reinforced chamber and can handle all sorts of exotic filaments. It's like the James Bond of 3D printing. Last but not least, let's talk noise. The Saturn is relatively quiet, but the K1C takes it to the next level with a silent mode is less than or equal to 45 decibels. That's so quiet, you might forget it's even there. It's like a ninja printer. Summarizing reviews, the ELEGOO Saturn is praised for its build quality, precision, and user-friendly setup. Reviewers appreciate its large build plate and fast printing speeds, although some minor improvements could be made. On the other hand, the Creality K1C has received mixed reviews. While some users find it easy to set up and user-friendly with great print quality, others have faced issues with defective units and required replacements. Despite these setbacks, the K1C's advanced features and high-speed performance are highlighted positively. So there you have it, smart buyers. The ELEGOO Saturn is your budget-friendly, high-quality option, while the Creality K1C is your high-speed, feature-packed beast. Both are fantastic, but the choice is yours. Do you want to save some bucks or print like there's no tomorrow? Let us know which one you'd pick in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing. Product links are in the description.